Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can change the account type of a administrator account into standard account or vice versa in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will just be following a very simple, easy process to do that. So please do finish watching the whole video till the very end. So the first thing you need to do is to go click here in the Windows Search tab. You need to type control and then you will get under best match the control panel option. Now once you click on this one, all you need to do is just to go to the user account. But if you're not getting this kind of window, all you need to do is just to click on this view by options here and then select the category option, and then you will be getting this kind of window. So here, just click on user accounts and then proceed with user accounts again. And by the moment you do that, you will now be seeing this kind of window. Here, all you need to do is just to click on the changes that you want to make to your user account. So as you can see here, I have my user account and then it is a local administrator account. So if you want to change your name, you can just click on this change your name button here, and then in this box, you can now add the new account name, and after doing that, just click on this change name button, and then this name will appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. So if you want also to change your account type, you can do so by clicking this button here, and from an administrator account, you can select the standard, and vice versa. If you have the standard account, then you can just change it to administrator by selecting this administrator option here. And then once you have done that, just please click on change account type and then just close this window. And by the way, if you want to manage or make changes to another user account, you can also do so by clicking the manage accounts button or manage other accounts button. So you can also make changes with the following accounts here that you have just or that you have made or signed in with this device. So you can do the same changes with what we did earlier. So after doing this one, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.